What's up, my sisters of roses? And if you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and today your girl is going to be putting crisscrosses all over her daughter's hair and with a long ponytail. If you guys get this video, that means it came out. Okay, it came out good. It came out good. Okay. So your girl been working so hard. I've been working so hard on my Danny Rose XOXO. So if you have not subscribed over there, go ahead and subscribe over there, because that's my cleaning channel. And I'm doing Vlogmas, as you can already see on Danny Monique. And your girl's doing good. I'm proud of me. Yes. And then let me tell y'all, if you clicked on this video, you already see it. Your girl got 1,000 subscribers. Listen. I'm so happy I reached my goal. If you are a YouTuber, believe in your dream. It's coming. Put in the work. And I promise you, you are going to get there. So yay for me for reaching 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, like I said, I really don't even need this on my head, but I just got it on my head. I just got it in a ponytail, but whatever, y'all ain't here for that, so let's get started. Okay, so we have little Asaya up there, and this is Zabria. So I started on his head first, and then he got a little agitated, so I was like, let me go ahead and start on baby girl's hair. He just got some ponytails and you know, some two friend twists, but I'm just parting her hair. Her hair is so thick and coarse, you guys. Like, it's a whole process. Like, her hair, my hair, oh my god, like, who got time for this? Like, y'all be wanting to have hair, but ask me and Bria, it's a lot. It's a lot, baby. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna start out by straightening her hair. I'm not going to show you guys the whole process of me doing that, of course, because that's not what y'all here for. But this blue magic grease, when I was a child, like, my hair loved blue magic, and that's not what made my hair grow, because everyone in my family has long hair, so it's really genetics, but that was the thing that was good on my hair, and her hair loves it too. So we're gonna go ahead and get this part straight and get this straightened out so that we can go ahead and start the crisscross. But that's another oil that I put on. I put that on side hair, and I put some coconut oil on her hair as well, because y'all see how thick that thing is. All it do is drink it right on up. But yeah, and it's also a heat protector as well. That's what I use as a heat protector on me and her hair. So you guys, please go ahead and like my ish and subscribe, okay, right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my straightening comb. And I forgot the glove. You know that steam be hot, super hot. But I just pass it through there a couple of times and just keep on going. Like I said, I'm not going to show you guys the whole head or anything, but just a little bit, just to show y'all what I'm doing. Alright, so now I'm beginning to plait her hair so I can begin doing the ponytails for the crisscross. I do not know why it is so hard for me to do hair on camera, so I'm just gonna start this off, you guys, and you know, y'all gonna see what y'all see, because it's kind of hard doing hair on camera for me. I don't know. Maybe I just was tired. I just had to get off work. Maybe we're just gonna give that the excuse. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just continuing to put the ponytails in so that I can cross these over as well. Now I'm doing the crisscross rubber band method all over her head. And I was gonna do the long ponytail like I said at the beginning, but with her texture of hair, I think that I'm just going to just get some braiding hair and put it in a bun on top, so if she chooses to, when she wants to wear her bow, because she will wear a bow, but even though she's kind of tomboyish, she would wear a bow. So you know, we could put a bow in front. And actually, I need to get her red bow to go with her J's that I just bought. So yeah, I had to do that. So like I told y'all, I'm doing Vlogtober. If you're doing Vlogtober, as I ask in every video, leave down below some ideas, okay? Because your girl got 31 days to do. Okay, 31 days. So sometimes, you know, it's hard to think of ideas, even though, you know, I could just look at YouTube videos and get ideas. But, you know, I want to know your ideas as well. So leave them down below if you're participating in Vlogtober. I'm liking how her hair is coming out so far. Like, I'm proud of myself. Like, I really be discouraged when it comes to her hair, and I just let other people do it, because her hair, for one, is just so thick. Like, y'all, it's so thick. And my hair is thick too, but you know, when I was younger, I got perms and all that, so you know, my hair is a little bit more easy to deal with. I'm natural as well, but she's completely natural, and her daddy has very thick hair too. So, but like I say, I'm very proud of myself of how it's coming out. Now for this part on in the front, I am going to do 2 braids to the front, so that she can have two braids just hanging with some beads, with some gold beads, as you guys want to see. I'm not good at braiding from the scalp at all, but I attempted, and you guys gonna see it came out decent, you know. So I ain't gonna complain. I might get my homegirl to redo that part, just maybe. So I'm at work right now, and I did her hair last night. So when I get home, I'm gonna see how it look. If it still look good, I'm gonna just keep it. You know, of course I'm gonna keep it tomorrow because she has to go to school. But tomorrow I might just drop by my friend's house and let her just do that part, because your girl's killing it. So I'm taking this piece of wet and wavy type of like you use with the soft locks to braid down this. Like I said, I ain't no pro, but your girl, she doing it. She doing it. Yay, y'all look at my braid. Yeah, it looks pretty good for me not to know what I'm doing. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Yeah. And I know that on her sides, her hair is very short, because she had a similar hairstyle just like this, you know, with the braids being braided to the front. And the girl braided so freaking tight that the whole freaking braid on both sides end up coming out. Like, ridiculous. Okay, ridiculous. But it's growing back, as you guys can see, and you know, as long as I keep it greased, it's growing back. I actually want to take her somewhere to get her hair trimmed and everything, so that her hair can grow better. Because for us, our hair grow when we don't do nothing to it. Like, definitely mine. Like, I have hair that just grows. It grows like a wildfire. You know, and her hair as well. But I'm proud of myself. So yeah, we just gonna slide these beads on, and I just folded it. I just folded the braid, and they went back right on, because the hole was big enough. So these, you know, as you can tell, they're not small beads. So I didn't even need the little bead thing. Thank God, because I didn't even have one. But yeah, yep, about to cut that little piece off, and there you go. Right here, I'm going to begin the front of her hair, but she's getting tired. I'm getting tired. I had to go to work the next morning, so I actually stopped. And now, as you guys can see, one side is done, and I'm about to begin on the other, and so we can wrap this ball around and be done with this. Okay, all right. I am so proud of myself. Y'all go ahead and put a rose emoji down in the comments if you made it this far. Okay. right, you guys. It's all straightened out. So now I'm about to start crisscrossing this front. I actually stopped filming because she had school the next day, and it was already like 9:30, and her bedtime is 8:30. So, you know, school is very important. So I had to stop filming so that I can just have a faster process. I didn't have to worry about if the camera had stopped, you know, that type of ordeal. But I'm just gonna put these little ponytails in so that I can start crisscrossing in the front. Now I'm going to start to put the ponytail in. I'm just putting a whole lot of grease in the middle of her head because, you know, it can get itchy when you have these, you know, balls and stuff in your head. So that's what I was doing just a minute ago. I was trying to figure out how I was going to put it on there. And of course, that's how I put it on there. I seen someone put the ponytail holder to hold her hair with the hair. Oh, look at him kissing her. I was giving him that to wipe the little nasty face. But he wiping it himself now. Big boy. But I'm just taking the ponytail and twisting it. Oh, y'all see MJ back there sleeping. I just noticed that. Anyway, yeah, these two next. But okay, I just twisted it down so that I can, you know, wrap her ball around. And I put a little gap to be because a little bit of her hair was showing right there. But yeah, you guys, if y'all haven't liked my ish, go ahead and like my ish and subscribe, okay? And please do not forget to put your roles in the description and tell me how I did, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.